Hey hoes, it's Katie.
Hey, it's me.
Alright, so this is my first set back. She asked for something like this. She said it don't gotta be exactly like this. And I was like, okay, cool, I got you. And I'm so glad it don't gotta be exactly like this because I do not have the rhinestones. So we're gonna start with prep. I'm gonna cut off all her extra long nails to make sure they're all even, push back the cuticles, get all the cuticles going. Then we're gonna go in with our drill bit, our mandolin bit. And I'm also cutting cuticles. Like, we getting the prep is going to be A1. I'm talking about A1 prep, like A1 out of this world prep. Like, y'all ain't never seen this prep before in a nail salon. This is some amazing prep. This is some amazing shit.
You know what I'm saying? Like, this is some real serious shit. It's some spectacular food.
Like I'm talking about, I even went in with my cuticle bit. Like, that's what makes my service luxury, because I'm not finna cut time. I'm finna go do what needs to be done and do beyond that. I'm finna go over and beyond with your nails to make sure the prep is A1, the retention is there. I'm finna make sure everything is correct. Look how these nails look after the prep, bro. That shit looks so beautiful. Like, to a nail tech, this prep looks so look at the quality and the state that the nails are in. Look at that. Don't they look so healthy? Don't they look so beautiful? Don't they look? Oh, wait. Then I'm going in with my duck nail tips. That was the one thing she said. I was like, what shape do you want? She said, you pick whatever. I picked duck. I love duck nail tips. Me personally, after I did duck nail tips on myself, like, all I really like to wear is duck. So we went in with duck, and I went in with like a bit and gave like a lassie curve, whatever. And this is me going in with dehydrator in my prep. I'm using a dynamic nail supply dehydrator and the protein bomb by Dynamic Nail Supply. And then I also went in with like an acid primer from Amazon. I use one dehydrator, 2 primers. Like, I use a protein bomb and I use a primer. But then we're going in with our Mia Secret acrylic and our Mia Secret monomer, and we doing that shit. We're gonna start on our application. So when it comes to monomer, I like Kyra Skies and I like Mia Secrets. Boom. When it comes to acrylic, I started it off trying to use my Dynamic Nail Supply. You see it right there, but it don't work. Like, that shit dry. I don't like the consistency of Dynamic Nail Supply. I like the consistency of Knot Polish, Mia Secret, stuff like that. And I also want to get into Chisel and Valentino. But I used to like Dynamic, but I never liked Dynamic. Like, it was always something about Dynamic. I've been doing nails since I was like 16. I like, pause that. We're going to go in with our mandarin bit, and we're just going to make sure everything is even though, you know, application is to toot your own horn, application be even as fuck, you know what I'm saying? But also you want to cap in the cuticles, whatever. But also you just want to make sure they're super flat or whatever. So I'm doing that here, and I forgot what I was saying, so forget what I was saying. So we're gonna go in with our colors. I mixed some colors up to make this like dark orangish color for like the base of the background, the depth of the honeycomb. I created the French, and then I went and painted one whole nail like that because that's where our honeycomb is going to be. Okay, this is my first time doing anything like this. I haven't touched a nail for real, nobody else's nail. I was still doing my own nails, but I haven't did nobody else's nails for real. I want to say since I was like 18. I'm 21 now. So we're gonna create this little honeycomb, little fake things on the nails first. Right. After I did this, I realized this was not enough for me. I did not like this. We need to turn this up a notch. This is not giving what it needs to give. So I went in with like a darker brown in between like the little honeycomb effects that we created, and I made it look more 3D-ish. And then to make it pop, and then I added the rhinestone gel to give it like a 3D effect, basically. I didn't like how it was looking at first, so we improvised it. We made it better. And so, boom, we cured it. And you also have to put in the light after that because it's not long enough to cure it. Then I used some liquid chrome to create honey drops, golden honey drops on the honeycomb. And then I'm doing my 3D nail. But hold on, I'm moving too fast. I chose golden because, like, you know, the land of milk and honey in the Bible, and I just wanted to use gold as the honey to represent that. So boom, then we're doing my white French tip. That was also my first time doing a 3D nail. This is my first time actually working with builder gel, the gel stuff. Because like I said, when I was doing nails, we didn't have all this. Like, this is the time to be alive as a nail tech. It's so much new shit out here. It's so much new shit. But yeah, if I missed any of the products, one, the polishes are Beetle Gels, Acrylics Me a Secret, and the rest of the stuff I'm about to do a haul for. But yeah, we're done.